Welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be sharing my special pumpkin bread recipe with you guys. Please relax and watch till the very end. The chief ingredient in this recipe is pumpkin. Here I have this fresh pumpkin. I already washed it. I'm going to cut it open and cut it into small chunks. In case you don't have strength for all of this, just buy the one that comes in a can from the store. I'm just making use of this because my kids got this from the pumpkin patch and I'm like, why not, instead of buying from the store. So here I cut everything open. I'm going to remove the seeds and all those things inside, then I'll peel off the back. There are so many ways to prep your pumpkin before you start baking with it. I've seen people roast it in the oven with the back before making puree out of it. Some people also steam the pumpkin with the skin intact. I love to use mine from fresh. Okay, I love to use it while it is still fresh, so I don't bake or steam or roast before using. So here I'm going to transfer everything into a blender, pour a little bit of water just to help the blade of my blender, and I'll blend everything into a puree. Guys, I know I said I'm gonna update you guys about this blender. This is the Ninja blender and I did the unboxing video and I said I was gonna tell you guys if it's really worth buying or not. Take my word for it, guys. This is a very good blender. It is a Ninja Detect. It is not a sponsored video from Ninja. I'm just telling you guys the truth. Okay, I'm enjoying this blender. Look at how perfectly it pureed this pumpkin. Now into a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Whisk everything together and set it aside. Now into another bowl, crack in 2 eggs, add 1 cup of vegetable oil or any oil of your choice, add 1 cup of granulated sugar and mix everything together. This particular recipe is not super sweet. If you have a sweet tooth, consider adding extra sugar to yours, but this is the perfect sweetness you need in this recipe. I also added 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract for extra flavoring. Mix everything together. Now we're going to scoop in 2 cups of this pumpkin puree into this wet mixture and mix everything together. Now we are going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix everything together until well incorporated. Now that our batter is ready, I'm going to line the baking pan with a parchment paper. Then I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now carefully transfer the batter into your bakeware lined with a parchment paper. Gently tap the sides and the bottom to remove excess air bubbles and add any favorite topping of your choice. Here I added some chocolate chips. Feel free to add sunflower, pumpkin seed, coconut flakes, or just whatever you like. And I'll bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. So this is the check for doneness. When a toothpick inside it comes out clean, it means that this is properly baked. Now we are going to take everything out and see the end result. guys, this tasted so good. This is me doing my happy dance. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, watch my other recipes, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.